Good morning, dear students. Well set for GSC studies. As you know, I was supposed to deliver the last topic of our chapter, but according to the importance of this topic, as this is directly concerned to your health and should be memorized forever, that's why I'm dividing this topic into two parts. First part will be delivered today and the second part will be taken day after tomorrow. The first part I'm going to take today is different types of vitamins, their sources, their functions in the body, and if they are not taken in appropriate amount, what are the deficiency diseases caused by them, along with the symptoms of that disease we are going to discuss. What you are observing here is page number 23 of our textbook, dear student. Here, a very beautiful tabular form of our topic is given. Today's topic is given. All the 6 vitamins that are required to maintain the good health are given here, along with their sources, their functions in the body, and if these vitamins are not taken in appropriate amount, what are the deficiency diseases caused by them, along with the symptoms of that diseases. So, dear student, we will take help of this table to discuss the topic. Before that, all the fruits that are present, that are available around you, I have collected the pics from somewhere so that I can show you these. You must eat these fruits every day along with vegetables also, so that you can get vitamins and minerals every day. Here I am taking the first vitamin, that is vitamin A, which is needed by our body for healthy eyes, skin and tissues. Now, what are the sources of this? You can see that it is present in cod liver oil, milk, butter, all the yellow fruits and vegetables you are observing, muskmelon, papaya, your favorite mango, carrots and milk. These are the rich source of vitamin A. But if these are not taken in appropriate amount, there is a disease, deficiency disease called night blindness. What is night blindness? If a person is suffering from this, that is unable to see in the evening hours, and there is dryness of skin also. Come to the next, that is vitamin B. This vitamin is needed for making the muscles strong and getting the energy to do various work. As you know, dear student, which of the nutrients give us energy to do work? That are carbohydrates, and the rich sources of carbohydrates are wheat, rice, yeast, liver, milk, green leafy vegetables, yogurt, fermented food like idli, dosa, dhokla, jalebi, etc., and sprouted pulses along with milk. If this vitamin is not taken in appropriate amount, there is a disease called beriberi, which makes the muscles weak and a general weakness appears in the body. Let's take the next two important vitamins, dear student, vitamin C and vitamin D. Vitamin C, which is not present in the milk. So from where we get it? From the all the citrus fruits like lemon, oranges, grapes, guava, etc. And you are, what is shown here? to you is the deficiency disease caused by vitamin C, that is scurvy. What happened to in it we will discuss. If vitamin C, as you know, is a water soluble vitamin, there is a need to take this vitamin every day. So remember forever, you must add some citrus fruits every day in your diet to fulfill the requirement of vitamin C. The less intake of this vitamin affects the bones, joints, teeth, and gums and leads to a deficiency disease called scurvy. In scurvy, a person tends to become weak, anemic, and develops spongy and bleeding gums. What you are observing here, dear students? Unhealthy teeth and swollen and bleeding gums. These are the symptoms of a person suffering from scurvy. It means this person is not taking vitamin C every day to make his teeth and gums strong. Now let's discuss about the next vitamin, that is vitamin D. I have underlined this vitamin with yellow color. Do you know why? Because I want to remind you that this is the only vitamin which can be synthesized by our skin in the presence of sunlight. Dear student, along with sunlight, milk and its products, cod and shark liver oil, eggs are the good sources of vitamin D for us. Let's discuss broadly about vitamin D. Vitamin D, which is a fat soluble vitamin and can be synthesized by our skin in the presence of sunlight. Its insufficient intake may affect the bones of our body, leading to a disease known as rickets. Dear student, rickets develops mainly among young children, though its effects may be forever throughout the life. It is most common among children of 6 months of age. Vitamin D stimulates, means enhance, the absorption of minerals like calcium and phosphorus in our body. These two vitamins are responsible for formation of bones and teeth, as you know very well. Hence, a deficiency of vitamin D can also cause calcium and phosphorus deficiency in the body. Vitamin D deficiency is more common among economically poor sections of the society because these poor families are unable to provide sufficient amount of milk, which is the good source of vitamin D, to their children. Here, the bones of legs become weak and deformed and take the shape of bow, that are called the bow shaped legs, and knock knees. These are the two features occur in a disease called ricket due to weakness of bones. Here you are observing a child with protruding chest like a pigeon. This protruding chest is the result of weakening of rib bones. Dear student, such a chest is known as pigeon chest. Now, vitamin D is very necessary for pregnant and lactating mothers. Pregnant means a woman having baby in her womb, and lactating mother means a woman who is feeding her baby with her mammillary gland, are advised to take rich sources of vitamin D for growth of bones of their child who are developing inside the womb or outside the body of her. Now, milk is the rich source of vitamin D. Let's come to the last two vitamins, vitamin E and vitamin K. Vitamin E, which is present in vegetable oils, green leafy vegetables, tomato, etc., is required for smooth functioning of reproductive system of ours. And if this vitamin is not taken in appropriate amount, there is a disease called sterility. Sterility is the condition in which person is unable to produce its babies. Here, last vitamin is vitamin K. Its sources are green leafy vegetables like spinach, and it is helpful in the clotting of blood. Whenever we get an injury, the clotting of blood is done with the help of this vitamin. If this vitamin is not taken in appropriate amount, then profused and prolonged bleeding is there from the injury. Dear student, this is all about today's topic. Thank you and have a good day.